Hey, hi guys. Good evening.
Hi, sir. Good evening too.
Yeah, what we are discussed guys last class.
Servlet.
Servlet. So you had completed guys. How we can?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are completed right guys. CSS file, JavaScript file, HTML file, right?
Yes.
Very good. Very good guys. Okay. So guys, today we can discuss to that what is the difference between HTML, web.xml file, and there is what guys? There is a few more. What are the basics we need to learn? Basics of that servlet. What are the packages is there? And what are the classes? What are the interfaces is there? We need to go and how we can create a web XML file and how we can create a HTML file. You already know, right, guys? So, what is the data? How it is going to creating, what is the purpose of HTML and what is the purpose of what guys web.xml file we can see. Guys, you know, right, what is the purpose of HTML pages?
Yes.
Yeah, what is the purpose?
Create a new page.
Create a one of the web page. How we can create, guys? There is a if we can create into that where in as a if we take as a one of the notepad. See, I will show you how we can create a web.xml file and how we can create a what guys HTML file. See, I'm going to creating this is that what guys HTML file, right? So yeah, this is that HTML file I'm going to creating, guys. There is a pair tag is there and
Your screen is not visible.
not visible. 1 minute. I think I already shared that. Okay. Can you check now?
Sir.
No? Yeah, sorry, I'm not shared. Can you check now?
Yes.
Oh, right, guys. So there is a, I'm going to opening to that what is the difference between HTML file and what is the different what guys web.xml file we can check. I'm going to opening to that paint. See here, guys, what are the tags is there? We can analyze. Yeah, this is that I'm going to give an as a app.html file, guys. Inside that HTML file, we can create a paid tag and unpaid tag, guys. Right? So paid tag and unpaid tag I'm going to creating. Coming to that one of the notepad, guys, and we can create how we can create into that paid tag. See, this is the paragraph, guys. This is the paragraph. I'm going to writing something. Welcome to welcome to soft learn. I'm going to give in, right, guys. So this is that I'm going to creating one of the paragraph, right? So I'm going to open that paragraph and closing that paragraph, guys. This is that paid tag, guys. I'm going to save this file by help of what, guys? Desktop and extension with that HTML app app data HTML, guys. This is that HTML tag, right? HTML page. Same as like what should I to do? I'm going to creating. This is the what guys. P tag I'm going to creating, and inside that P tag I'm going to writing something what guys, content, right guys. This is the close tag of P, right? So same as like what should I to do? I'm going to creating what guys. There is a web.xml file guys. Web.xml file is there. Instead of this is that what guys, default name of that web. So instead of that web, I'm going to give into that app.xml file guys. How we can create into that web app.xml file. This is that web XML file. We can call as a this is that HTML tag, and this is what guys, XML file, HTML file, and XML file guys. So inside that HTML file there is a pair tag is there and unpaired tag is there guys, right? So what should I to do inside that XML file? It can have to that word guys. There is a how we can create a what guys, you people can check here guys. I'm going to creating to that one of the employees data guys. How we can create into that employee data, I will show you. See here guys, first of all what should I to do? There is a in coming to that HTML page, if I print, see this is that soft learn, it will be show onto that browser guys. When I'm going to running my app.html file, that HTML file will be show that content of that soft learn guys. That is that P tag can have to that some data. That data is that soft learn guys. So can we check guys? Come into that yeah, this is that app.html file. So I'm going to run this application guys. I'm opening with open with what guys? There is a Chrome browser is there. I'm going to opening, so that welcome to software, that data it is going to visible onto that browser, right? So what should I to do here guys? What is the purpose of that app.xml file? See, you people can check guys. I'm going to creating to that one of the employee data guys. Employee data I need to print. So coming to that what where in HTML file also, see, if I want to create, I need to create what guys, employee data I need to create. So employee ID is there, employee name is there, employee salary is there, and employee address is there guys. So for that, how I can give to that what guys, content, you people can check. I'm going to using what guys, one of the tag, that is h1 or h2 h3 h4 h5. You can take to that any tag guys. I'm going to taking to that h5 tag guys, h4 tags, and in that I'm going to give into that what guys, employee ID, and I'm going to give in values guys here. See, employee ID I'm going to give in 501 is that employee ID I'm going to give in guys, right? So I'm going to closing to that h1 h4 tag, right? Same as like I need to give to that remaining details also guys. If people can check, I'm going to give an employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee address. I need to give here guys, employee ID and employee name. Employee name I'm going to give in my name, and employee salary I'm going to give in, right, some 50k guys, and employee what, employee address, right guys. So I'm going to give in, so I'm going to give into that address here guys, that is Hyderabad. I'm going to give in control less, and you can refresh your browser guys. We can refresh to that browser. You people can check guys, that data it is going to showing onto that browser guys, right? So this is the
Yes.
whose data it is guys, employee data, right? So this is that employee data I'm going to creating in where guys, which file I'm going to creating inside HTML file guys. This is that
HTML.
HTML file. So this is that HTML file. but Servlet is expecting to that what guys, web.xml file. How we can create into that web.xml file? You people can check here guys. We need to create what guys, there is a web, what is that web.xml file tag is there, we need to check here guys. So how I'm going to creating to that employee data in a HTML file, same as like I'm going to creating to that what guys, XML file, that is app.xml file I'm going to creating. And how that tag is there, I need to I will show you guys. You people can check here guys, what are the paid tag and unpaid tag is there, I will show you. So that come into that HTML page, what is this guys, first one, employee ID, right guys. So I'm going to creating to that one of the tag employee id, this is that I'm going to creating to that tag guys. See how I'm going to creating, this is that open braces and close what guys, greater than less than symbol I'm going to using. And this is that employee id guys, employee id open, and I need to close this tag guys. This is the way, this is that employee id I need to close it, close guys. So what how I need to close it, this is the way we can close guys, right? And we can configure employee id where guys, middle of that here we need to give to that employee id guys. I'm going to give in 501 is that my employee id guys. This is that open tag, this is that close tag guys. Same as like I'm going to creating what guys, I'm going to creating to that remaining data also. Guys, this is the web.xml file. What are the tags? You should be changed. What is the difference between HTML file tags and XML tags? You should be concentrate here, guys. I'm going to give in what guys? There is a, I'm going to give in to that employee data inside that where guys? Inside the XML file. What file it is, guys? XML, right? So I'm going to give it to that employee name, close employee name guys, right? I'm going to closing that employee name. And what is the data I'm going to give in? Shrino I'm going to give in, right? So same as like I'm going to change to that word guys. Next employee, employee salary, yeah. Employee name, employee ID, salary, yeah. I'm going to give in salary, right? So I'm going to give in some data guys here, 50K, right? And I need to tag name as a, I'm going to close with the tag employee salary tag. Same as like I need to create what guys, address, employee address guys. Guys, we can call as a attributes guys, it is. We can call as a attributes in XML file. How we can use to that attributes in Servlet, I will show you guys. Before that you should be aware how we can create HTML file and how we can create XML file, you should be aware it, right? So I'm going to give in what guys, I'm going to give in to that address here, address I'm going to give in, yeah, I'm going to give in guys that address. See here guys, this is the way we can create employee ID open, employee ID close, employee name open, employee name close, employee salary open, employee salary close, employee address open, employee address close guys. So and there is a base tag is there guys, there is a predefined base tag is there, that is whose data guys, it is employee data. So what should I to do, there is a employee is that one of the tag is there guys, we need to create as a which data he, it is employee data. So that is the reason I'm going to creating to that open employee and close employee guys here. This is the way we can close that employee guys, right? So and one more XML predefined tag is there guys, that is what, there is a version is there guys. What is the version we need to how we can create a unpaid tag guys. This is that unpaid tag, that is, yeah, this is the way we can create. Where is that question mark? Yeah, xml version, xml version equal to, I'm going to give in, there is a version is there guys, 1.0 0 version only, right? You should be use it, guys. Then it will be how when I'm going to running to this application, then that XML version it will be identify, guys. So what should I to do? I'm going to copy this code and go to that where, guys, this is that notepad, right? So same as like I need to create one more file, guys, and one more file, that is that what this is that XML file, guys. Control s and app.xml, that extension start with what, guys? This is which file? XML file, right? So I'm going to give in app.xml extension, guys. I'm going to save in where on desktop, guys. So you people can check here, guys. It is stored inside that desktop, that is app, or else we need to give to that what, guys, because of there is a two. Yeah, I'm going to running this application, no problem, we can check it. See here, guys, I'm going to running this application, run as open with which, yeah, there is a default browser is there. I'm going to open that data, it will be printed. So guys, there is a error is there, guys. That XML app.xml file has to that some error, guys. Error on line 1 column 20 blank needed here. The page contain that following errors below is that rendering page up to that first error. So there is some error is there. We can check what is that error. XML version, yeah, employee is that employee, we can, yeah, it is correct. Because of we should be give to that, guys, that XML file should be close all the what, guys, we can close every tag as a close tag, means paid tag is there, guys. We need to close correctly, otherwise it will be throw that error, right? So what I did here, XML employee, yeah, we can give to that multiple data of that multiple employees data. So what should I to do? I'm going to creating employees and employee open. Only one employee is there, then we can create one what, guys, only one employee. But if I give to that employee two also, no problem, guys, same that code. You people can check, this is that one employee data. uh, uh okay, employee ID, employees, and there is a one more tag, it will become, guys, that is employee, close employee, guys. We need to give as a close employee, because of I'm going to creating multiple employee. Copy it, control C. This is that one employee, guys. 501 is that one employee. I'm going to creating one more employee, that is data, I'm going to change it here. 502 502, I'm going to give in Raja as a data, guys. Second employee data given as a 60,000. And what, guys, is that what location, you can give that anything, guys. I'm going to give in as a MBNR, right? So control S, you can refresh the tag is getting blank needed, error on. See, guys, if it is there is a error, it's not able to get, guys. So what is the error we need to identify here? Employee, yeah, it is that closed, not closed, guys. Employee is open, employee we should be closed, guys. That is the error. And here also we need to open and close, guys. Control S, go and refresh. Is not able to open up the page. We can check what we did here. Employees, employee, employees. Guys, if you missing anything, we can check it is employee XML version is there, and that is that close tag also required not. Yeah, there is a, I think we need to give as a word, guys, question mark here. Controllers, this is the issue of refresh. See guys, yeah. So this is that XML file data, guys. Guys, are you getting or not? How we can create a HTML file and how we can run to that HTML file, and how we can create a what, guys, XML file, and how we can give to that what, guys, employee data. See, there is a employee data. I'm going to give into that employee data into that where, guys, inside that see, this is that employee data inside that XML what, guys, HTML file. But if I require to that one more data of that employee, then we can change to that code, guys. This is that this is that HTML file where it is, yeah, where not it is, where my data, yeah. So control Z, control V, control S, and where is that HTML one more file, yeah, this is that index dot, no, index dot HTML, app dot, this is that XML file, and where my data, guys, it is app dot HTML file is there. Then what should I to do? You can go open here, open, open with, there is a what, guys, we should be select flow. Choose to that others apps, more apps is there, and we can select as a notepad, it will be open, guys. Okay, see, this is that my data, right, guys, in HTML. If I require to that one more data, then what we have to do? This is that first employee data, guys. I'm going to give in as a, this is that first employee data inside that h2 tag. First employee employee data close to that h2 tag, guys, right, and control S. So you can refresh the browser. This is that it will be give as a first employee data, guys, first employee data. I need to give to that one more employee data, guys. So what should I to do? Copy this and paste here, guys, paste here, and you can check second employee data, right, second employee data. So refresh your page. Now it will become two employees data, guys. This is the way we can print that data on getting to that on browser, guys. This is the browser, right, guys? This is the HTML file data we are going to printing onto that browser. But same as like I'm going to printing that XML file, guys, XML file data I need to print onto that browser. So that is the reason we are going to that using what, guys, XML file. See, this is the way we can print the data of that XML file, guys. If you have to require one more data, then you can use to that same tag, guys. See, this is that one employees and this is that one employee, right? That employees can contain what, guys, this is that we can call as a what, guys, property, right? Property, employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee address, that is that property, guys. Employee one property, employee two properties, guys. This is that what, guys, user defined tag, guys. There is a, you people can check here, come into that HTML and what, this is that see, you people can check here, guys. This is that predefined tag, guys. H2 H4 H2 H4 is that predefined tags are user defined tags, guys. It is in HTML.
Predefined.
Yeah, predefined tags. But come into that XML file, there is a employees is that what, guys, employees is that user defined tags are predefined tags. It is that user defined tags, guys. User defined tag. We should be open that tag, we should be close that tag, guys. Okay, so this is that what we have to call XML file employee data, how we can give inside that XML file. This is the way we can give, guys. This is the tags, this is the tag based, guys, right? Because of what is the purpose of that tag, why we are going to use into that XML file is nothing but, see here, guys, in real time what we have to do, we can implementing that application into that multiple, there is a multiple technologies is there, guys, not only Java, there is a PHP technology is there, .NET technology is there, and what, guys, Python technology is there, right? So there is a multiple technologies is there, but there is a implementation has done into that one of the application with that different technologies. But if I want to integrate to that one technology to another technology, one API to another API, so that I need to tag, guys, here. So you people can check here, guys. I'm going to give into that what is the exact purpose of that XML file. I will tell you, guys. You people can check here, guys. This is that I'm going to clear it. See, guys, do you know IRCT? IRCT application.
No, sir.
IRCT application. Do you know? Or do you know?
No.
Do you know?
No, sir.
No. Amazon application.
Yes.
Yeah, you people can think here, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to give in as a multiple APIs. See, guys, this is that Amazon application. We can analyze, right? This is that Amazon application developed technology. What, guys? Java plus MySQL. You can analyze MySQL database, guys. Java is that technology. MySQL is the database, guys. Same as like we are going to developing to that, what, guys, for that Amazon application we have to require, what, guys, there is a payment gateway we have to require, right, guys? Payment gateway, when we are going to order that product, at that moment it will be asked you are going to paying the money online or offline or debit card, credit card, that option it will be asked, right, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, you people can check here that there is a phone pay is that one of the application, phone pay app is there, right, guys? Phone pay application was developing to that which technology, guys? You can analyze what, guys, instead of Java, this application developed by that what technology? PHP. You can analyze PHP technology, and database, what, guys, you can use to that MongoDB, guys. MongoDB. This is that one of the, what, guys? PHP is that technology. MongoDB is that, what, guys? MongoDB is that database, right? So I'm going to implementing PhonePe application. So that is that PhonePe is that what application, guys? This is that business application. Yes or no, guys? This is that business application. We can call as a B2B, guys. Amazon also be a business application only, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you people can check here, guys. Here is that one more application. Do you know to that Google Pay, guys? We can pay to that payment to that Phone Pay or Google Pay or what, guys? There is a card also is there, right? So I'm going to using to that. This is that
Yes.
application as a, we can analyze what, guys? This is that application as a GPay, guys. You people can think this is that GPay, right? So that GPay application developed what, guys? using to that .NET technology. .NET as a technology, and using to that word, guys, there is a which database it is going to be using? Oracle database, guys. Which database, guys? Oracle database, right? Yeah. So if people can check here, guys, there is a almost 5 application. This is that what we have to call. This is that Phone Pay, and this is that Google Pay, and Amazon application can interact with that word, guys. Different application it is going to interacting, guys. How it is going to interacting? I will show you that part, right? And there is a word, guys. We can check to that one of the application word, guys. One of the application that business application what, guys, Amazon application interacting with that any other APIs is there, guys. You people can check cards is there, guys. Credit card or debit card, right? Yeah, you can think there is a credit card also one of the business application, guys. Credit card also one of the business application, right? So this is that we can uh, credit card, right? Credit card and credit card application, guys. Credit card application, and this is that credit card implemented by which technologies, guys? This is that credit card implemented into that different technologies. What are the technologies is there? We can think that application has done by to that word, guys, Python. We can use to that word, guys, Python technologies. And what are the database using? What are the database it is using, guys? Oracle has done, MongoDB has done, and there is a MySQL database also is there. And what, guys? Any other database is there, guys? Yeah, there is a other database. It is going to using MS SQL DB is there, guys. What is the database name? MS SQL. MS SQL is that database is there, guys. So by using the Python technology and MS SQL DB database used to developing to that word, guys, credit card application. And one more application is there, guys, that is we can call as a what? Debit card application, guys. Credit card is different and debit card is different, right, guys?
Yes.
Debit card application, guys. And debit card application implemented by which technologies, guys? There is a, it is that it has done by to that other technologies, guys. There, that is what we have to analyze that technology as a, yeah, we can think this is that Android. This is that Android by using Android developing this application, guys. There is a Android plus database is that SQLite is that database is there, guys. That Android application we are going to using to smart mobile, right? So that if I want to developing to that application, there is a Android applications we can develop, guys. Android application. For that, I'm going to using technology Android plus what? There is a SQLite is the database, guys. This is that inbuilt database is there. SQLite, right? SQLite is that database, guys. So this is that B2B application, guys. Phone Pay also using to that business purpose. GPay also we can use for to that business purpose. Debit card also we can use for to that business purpose. Credit card also we are going to using for to that what, guys? Business purpose only. So this is that four types of data, four types of application we are going to sending what, guys, interacting to that what, guys. See what this is that Phone Pay application developed by which technologies, guys? PHP and MongoDB. But Amazon application developed by what, guys? Java with MySQL DB. So, guys, that PHP it's not able to possible to understand into the Java language, guys. That Java technology it is not able to understand to that PHP, and that PHP not able to understand to that what, guys, Java, right? Java it is not able to understand into that PHP technologies, guys. So if I want to understand to that what, guys, if I want to communicate with that Amazon application with that phone pay application, but that technology is that different, guys, that technology is that different. So if I want to understand that technology, then there is a one of the what, guys, page what file is there, that is what, guys, XML file. By help of that XML file we can interact with that one application to another application, guys, right? Guys, are you getting or not? It is, if I want to communicate one application to another application, there is a what, guys, by help of to that XML file, or there is a one more file is there, guys, JSON data. By help of that JSON data we can convert, we can interact with that one application to one technology to another technologies, guys. You people can check here, guys, almost five application is there, five business application is there, guys. That five business application developed by to that what technologies, guys, same technologies are different technologies is there, guys. That five application was developed by to that different technologies and different data types. But I want to communicate, guys, this is that application, this is that what, guys, phone pay, Google pay, or credit card, debit card application need to talk with that what, guys, Amazon application. But that Amazon application was developed by through that Java technologies, guys. But the Java technology can understand to that PHP technologies, guys. It's not able to understand, guys. So there is a one of the mediator languages, mediator. What we have to call that is XML file is there, guys. What is that XML? I said you just now I developed to that one of the XML file. XML stand for extensible markup language, guys. XML stand for extendable markup language, right? So by help of that XML file, we can communicate with that one application to one technology to that another technologies, guys. See how we can configure that. See, this is that word, guys. If I want to communicate to that PHP to Java application, there is a one languages is there, that is XML language, XML, guys, extensible markup language. By help of that extensible markup language we can communicate to that one application to another application. We can you what, guys, communicate with that two ways, by using XML file or JSON data, guys. By help of what, XML or JSON data, guys. JSON. JSON is that one of the JSON. JSON also one of the languages is there, guys. So XML, how we can create that? See, guys, this is that XML. Where is that my XML file? This is that XML, right, guys? Same as like we can create to that word, guys, JSON data also. How we can create that JSON data, I will show you that, guys. So by help of that XML file we can communicate from to that one application to another application, guys. By help of that if I want to communicate PHP technology, Java technology, by help of what technologies, guys? XML or JSON data. We can use to that XML file or a JSON file we should be used, and we can convert the data, guys. So this is the way we can communicate with that one application to another application, guys. So by help of what, guys? JSON data or XML data. You people can check here, guys. This is that JSON or XML. You can analyze it, guys. Right? So how we can write to that JSON or XML, I will show you, guys. XML or JSON. JSON data, guys. XML, XML or JSON data. XML or JSON data. By help of XML or JSON data, we can communicate with that what guys, one technology application to another technologies, guys. Right? So how we can write to that JSON data? I will show you guys. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to. You already know, right, guys? How we can create XML file? How we can create HTML file? How we can create a XML file? How we can create to the JSON file? I will show you, guys. Very simple, guys. This is that very simple. I'm going to, this is that HTML file, right? So inside that HTML file, how we can create to that what XML file, what JSON data, you people can check. This is that way to we can create, guys. This is that open square braces and close square braces, and inside that open square braces and close square braces, we can open to that what, guys, curly braces. Open curly braces and close curly braces, guys. Right? So inside that open curly braces and close curly braces, we can create that data, guys. How we can create? See, what is the data? Our data. See, inside that double quotation, we can create. What is that employee ID? You can copy it, guys. I'm going to create into that employee ID, right? Employee ID copy, and we need to give that employee ID, guys. Guys, employee id is that integer, right? So integer data we are not able to give inside a double quotation, so that is the reason I'm going to give in as a what, without a double quotation. And next one, next data I'm going to create it. What next data, guys? Next data is that employee name.
No.
Right? So that employee name is that string or integer, guys?
String.
Yeah, that is the reason I'm going to give an inside a double quotation. Employee name, I'm going to give an what, guys? String, right? So plus end with that what, guys? Comma, one more data I'm going to give in, that is employee salary. Right? This is also attributes, guys. This is that we can create what, guys? JSON data. We can call as a JSON data. That salary also I'm not able to give in inside that what, guys, string, right? So this is that it will be considered as a double or floating data, float data types, guys, right? And what next? Address. So that address is that string or integer, guys?
String.
String. That is the reason I'm going to give in inside that string, guys. I'm going to give in string data, guys. Guys, this is the way we can create into that what? JSON data, control X, control N, save, control V. See, this is that one user data, guys. This is that one user data. If you want to require one more employee data, what should I to do? You can copy it and you can use to that second data, then comma, and this is that second data, guys, second employee data. You can change to that value, guys. Right? You can use to that data here, and yeah, anything you can do it. Guys, this is the way we can create into that what, guys? JSON data. We can use to that JSON data. This is the way, guys. Control S app dot JSON. This is the way we can create, guys. Right? So how we can send that data, how we can use to this data, guys? And I will check you where this JSON data we can use. I will let you know when that concept has completed our REST APIs. Then I will show you guys. Okay, so that what is the purpose of that XML file? What is the purpose of that HTML file? What is the purpose of that JSON data? You people can getting or not, guys? Please tell me. If I want to communicate with that one application to another application, that application has developing into that different technology. If I want to communicate one application to another application, then we can use to that XML or JSON files, guys, right? Yeah. So how we can communicate that, how we can implement that part, we will see to that later, guys. So that creation of XML file, creation of JSON file, creation of that HTML file, you are good or not, guys, in that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you should be practice it, guys, then it will be understand, and later that implementation perspective, what we have to do, how we can implement that data, we can go one by one, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so guys, I'm going to explain to that this is that HTML file, XML file, JSON file. So later point of view, we can check what, guys, we can check with that what we have to call servlet, how we can implement. I will show you guys that part. So that before coming to that servlet, what we have to do, guys, there is a you people can check here, guys, there is a XML file and a HTML file and what we have to call it is, this is that control C and come to that where, guys, inside that where my paint, yeah, here is that paint, guys, can I clear it or else?
Yes, sir.
I need to take one screenshot, guys. I will upload it into that our website. Save as 430, 440, 440 images is there, and I'm going to clear it, guys. I'm going to clear it. Right. So guys, you people can aware to that what is server, what is browser. You people can aware, guys. Do you know what is server, what is browser? You people can check here, guys. I'm going to give in as a small what, guys, server and browser. This is that what, guys. What are the browsers is there, guys? Tell me. What are the browsers?
It's like Chrome browser.
Chrome browser. Next, only Chrome browser, you know.
There are many.
What are those?
Microsoft Edge browser.
Yes, Chrome browser. And you people can check here, guys. This is the Tomcat server.
Firefox browser.
Yes. Which server you are going to install, guys? Last class.
Tomcat.
Yeah, Tomcat server. So guys, you people can check. This is that browser and this is that server, guys. In our application perspective, we already completed that first application, first servlet application, right, guys? So there is a first servlet application when we are going to implement it. At that moment, we are going to hitting that request in where, guys? Inside the browser or server. We are going to hitting that request.
Inside the server.
No, request, guys. Request will be go through that browsers, and response come to that where, guys, from to that servers, guys. This is that server and this is that browser. You people can check here, guys. There is a server. This is that server, guys, right? In this server, what we have to do, you can, this is that browser, right, guys? This is the browser. When I'm going to
Yes.
hitting to that what, guys, softlandcity.com, then that request to go to that which server, guys? My server, it will be go, right? It
Yes.
will be go to that request. This is that response came from where? There is a server is there, guys. I already shown you to that server. This is the server, guys. This is that my server. My Broodle is that my server, guys. That request go to this server, and it will be getting that response, guys. Where my request is there, you people can check here, guys. This is that my files is there. There is a my what, www.softlandcity.com is that my what, guys, URL is there. This is that my domain is there, guys. That domain, it is going to hitting that domain can having to that some files, guys. What are the files is there? This is that what I implemented that file, that response came from here only, guys. Inside that here when we are going to hitting that request, we are going to sending that request through that browsers only. We can send that request through that browser. We can use to that application. And what, guys, we can send to that request to that with that several application or browsers, guys. There is a multiple browser is there. Mozilla Firefox is that one of the browser. Chrome is that one of the browser. Internal Explorer is that one of the browser. There is a like that multiple browser is there. We can send to that request through that browsers only, or file applications only, guys. Getting or not? Where,
Yes,
sir?
sir.
Where we can send that request through that application is nothing but, you people can check here, guys. I'm going to open into that what, this is that my request. It is came from to that first time as a browser, guys. When I'm going to hitting, this is that one of the application, right, guys? There is a home page is there. When I'm going to log in inside that page, there is a login successful, right? So after login that my application, I'm going to open into that my learnings is that one of the page is there. I need to hit that the request through that application or browser. I need to go again and send that request browser, or I need to send that request through that application, guys. Application, this is that one of the application only. Yeah, home.php is that one of the page is there. Inside that page, I'm going to hitting to that request. When I'm going to click on to that request, it will be go and request to again to that my server, and that response came to that back, guys. This is that response of that what, guys, my learnings.php response, guys. You are getting or not? What is browser, what is servers?
Yes, sir.
Right? So how was is there that my Broodle is that server, same as like we are going to install it what server, guys? Tomcat server in our Eclipse, guys. For that Eclipse, we are going to using to that local, we are install a Tomcat server, and we are going to instead creating to that HTML page. That when that HTML page what, guys, we are going to configure into that web.xml file. That is which file we need to get that response as a first, then that is decided by to that what, guys, web.xml file only. Where is my web.xml file? You can check here, guys. This is that web.xml file. This in that web.xml file, I have already integrated what, guys. You people can check. There is a, I'm going to configure to that index.html file as a first page, right, guys? When I'm going to running my application, I'm going to stop that server. I'm going to running to that application, guys. You people can check. I'm going to running my application, guys. Run as servers. Tomcat. This is the Tomcat server. Next, finish. That application has running that same request that what, guys? This application run by to that what, guys? Servlet. See, this is that page has getting to that response, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, guys, what we have to do? I'm going to send in that request with that application. There is a about page is there. and need to come back. There is a one more page is there, that is contact page. Contact page also getting request. I need to go back. This is the things we are already developed. We can call as a, this is that static pages, guys. What we have to call it is static pages, static application, static web application. But we can develop to that dynamic web application by help of servlet, guys. So that is the part we can discuss. What, guys, tomorrow onwards you should be aware to that what is HTML file, what is XML file, what, guys? There is a JSON file. You should be aware, and you people can check, guys. There is a, say, you people can check. There is a welcome file and open the welcome file, open welcome file, close. This is that XML. Web app is that close, and web app is that open, guys. Right? So this is the way we can develop to that word, guys. First application, tomorrow onwards we can discuss to that word, guys. Servlet, what is servlet, what are the packages is there, what are the classes is there, what are the interfaces is there, and how we can implement to that servlet. We can see what are the methods is there. We can check tomorrow class, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We will see on to the tomorrow class for to that word, guys. Servlet implementation.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. You can drop off, guys.